Here's how you can keep your jewelry shining for years. First, use a soft cloth to clean. Store it properly in a pouch or a box. Also, a little pro tip: never mix gold, silver, and pearls together. Makes it easier to find. Now, when it comes to getting ready, always wear your jewelry last. Avoid wearing your jewelry while swimming, showering, and exercising. In case of tarnish, take a bowl of warm water, take a small amount of toothpaste and gently scrub your jewelry using a soft bristle brush. Then soak it in warm water. Next, mix a spoonful of baking soda with half a lemon juice and let your jewelry soak for a while. Finally, rinse and pat dry with a soft towel for a sparkling finish. Lastly, always keep silica packets in your jewelry box to absorb moisture and keep everything fresh.